Hello viewers, welcome back. Today I got here my Sur Ron Light B, and we're going to be getting rid of this ugly rear fender. So let's get to it. The first thing I'm going to do is take a 17mm socket and a 6mm Allen key and remove the rear axle. You don't need to push the axle all the way out, just push it out of this side here, and then it'll slide right off. There's a slot on this side to release it. The one thing we need to account for is this here acts like a spacer. So we need to throw some washers in there to account for the space for this being removed. I'm gonna throw these two washers in place of this here. I've had to buck the sides off of this one, and I'm gonna do the same to this one. Here's one of the spacers I've made. The outside diameter, 28mm. Inside, 12.5. And the thickness, 2.5mm. Now that I got both my washers cut, I'm going to push the axle through and remove it, slide on the spacer onto the left side of the axle, put the axle back in, put the spacer on the right side, put the chain adjuster on, and retighten up the nut. Make sure you support your rear tire when you pull out the axle. Here's a little trick when tightening up your chain. I like to take a soft cloth, put it in the chain, turn it through. This will pull tension, pulling your axle all the way forward. Then tighten up your axle nut. Remove the cloth and check your chain tension. I might have to adjust that. With the spacers in, our rear wheel is nice and tight. If you don't put them in, you'll wobble back and forth and wreck your wheel bearings. Oh yeah, that looks a lot better, way cleaner. Don't you agree? Let me know in the comments below. I might have to get an extended rear fender. Probably gonna cover me in mud now, but I like it. If you haven't done so already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and click up here to check out the next video. There we go, we got rid of this ugly thing on the Sur Ron Light BX. Ride safe.